Hi, welcome to another Quick Tip Thursday, and this time is going to be very quick, not like the last one. And today I'm going to show you how I add black bars to my videos. I think for me it's the easiest way and the quickest way, so let's see in the computer. First, you can see that I already have a video of me talking here in the timeline. So first thing you have to do is come here to the effects tab. In here, if you don't see it, click in here, it says effects, and look in the effects, and the first one is adjustment clip. Drag this to the line above your clip, then stretch it to the size of the clip or the size that you want to add the bar, and select the adjustment clip and come here to the inspector. If you don't see the inspector, click where it says inspector and come down here to the cropping area, and you have crop left, crop right, crop top and crop bottom. These two are the ones that are important now, so I like to put 200 in the top and 200 in the bottom. So as you can see, we already have the black bars, but it is cutting my hair and I don't want that, so I select the clip and I come here to the inspector again, to the position and the Y position, and I pull it a little down and it's done. So as you can see, it's very easy to add those black bars to your clip, and you can adjust everything, and it's quick. For me, with the adjustment clip is the fastest way you can do it without any problem, because if you wanna you can put it over some parts of a clip or in all the clips, so it's very easy. I hope this was helpful and I hope you learned something today, and if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot the channel. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit the notification bell to be notified for the next time I will launch another video like this one. And until there, bye!